Swank Digital Campus is a database of feature films that can be licensed for educational use as instructional materials within a course. These range from recent box office hits to classics to popular documentaries. This page shows the videos that are currently licensed through Swank for educational use at USF and the date that they expire. If you don't see the film you need listed, you can search the Swank database at swank.com/digital-campus and use the search feature at the top right. To request the films to be linked within your course, submit the title or titles, your course number, section, and semester to libreserves@usf.edu. A maximum of 5 titles can be requested per course. Priority is given to web-based courses with enrollment over 50 students, but you can still submit the request for consideration if your course does not meet those criteria. This can take up to 16 days for processing. It's important to be aware that you'll need to make these requests in advance of each semester that you will need the films within your course. A good strategy may be to make a calendar invite for yourself or to complete this process at the same time you submit your materials information to the bookstore. Your best contact for support and questions is the email libreserves@usf.edu. If a video you're looking for is not available streaming online, but you still want to use it in your course, contact your liaison librarian to see if the library can find an alternative film or method.